Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all students. Our topic today 3.4 equations with radicals. Okay, for introduction part, okay, what is equations with radicals? Equation with radicals is an equation which contains radical expression in x is solved by, okay, so means if you can remember, you learn in previous topic what is radical. Radical means that we have the square root or cube root, okay, in the expression. How can we solve the equation that contain radicals? You have to squaring both sides of the equations. Okay, let's say kalau dia bagi kat situ punca kuasa 3, means that kiri kanan you have to cube, okay, kuasa 3 kan kiri dan kanan for the equation. Okay, so now sometimes if squaring may lead, okay, squaring may lead to false solution. We call it as extraneous root. Now how can we know that we get the extraneous root? You have to do rechecking. Okay, you have to recheck. This is very important, okay, to recheck so that you can see your solution. There are 3 possibilities of the solution. Okay, I will explain later. Okay, what is rechecking? Means that, okay, this is important to test for acceptability by substituting the solutions into the original equation. Okay, apa dia ni? So you have to substitute the x values into original equation. Okay, there are 3 possibilities of answers. You have to remember that sometimes your solution might be true solution. Bila situasi kita dapat true solution? When jawapan, okay, solution at the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Sama, bila kita substitute x value dalam equation tu, kita dapat jawapan yang sama kiri kanan. Okay, maksudnya tu adalah true solution. Okay, another possibility of answers is we call it as extraneous. Extraneous ni kan, bila kita panggil juga as false solution, okay? Atau bila kita nak square, kadang-kadang kita terpaksa dalam soalan tu kita substitute, tiba-tiba kita dapat negative value dalam square root. Calculator tak boleh tekan. Alright, so inilah kita panggil extraneous. Ataupun boleh jadi false solution bila left hand side tak sama value dengan right hand side. Okay, so ada 3 solution, 3 possible solutions lah. You have to take note. This is very important. Okay. Okay, now we proceed example 1. We have here square root x square plus 2 plus x equal to 1. Okay, macam mana kita nak solve ni? Senang je. Okay, so you have to bring here, okay, you have to make sure that only the side, okay, the term that contains radical tu satu je dekat belah kiri. So meaning that here we have x square plus 2 equal to x ni, madam kena bawa dia ke kanan. Sebab apa? Sebab kita nak mudahkan kerja kita lah. Okay, so sebab bila kita square, mana yang cantik ni? Mana hitam? Bila kita square ni, both side kiri kanan, okay, senang lah sebab dia dah tinggal single term je dekat kiri tu. Senang nak squarekan dia. So the value will be x square plus 2. Remember when we square the radical sign, the square root, the sign will be removed. Yang tinggal hanyalah term kat dalam ini saja. Equal to, okay, belah kanan ni kita expand lah macam biasa. So kita akan dapat 1 minus 2x plus x square. Alright. Nah, Mida rasa korang dah expert dah bab ni, so Mida tak perlu explain lebih lah. So now you bring all the x square value to the right side, including x plus 2x equal to 1 minus 2. Perasan tak? Mida bawa semua yang x value ke kiri, nombor semua ke kanan. So x minus I we get 0. Here we get 2x equal to 1 minus 2 we get negative 1. So x equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, ini solution kita. Tapi we have to recheck. Okay, check, masukkan value x negative 1 over 2 into original equation. Mana satu original equation? Ialah ini. Ini adalah original. Okay. Allah Akbar. Susah pula bila ni. Okay, this is the original equation. So substitute. You get here square root of 1 over 2 square plus 2 plus, sorry, ada negative. Negative 1 over 2 equal to 1. Okay, now we simplify. So we get here square root of 1 over 4 plus 2 minus 1 over 2 equal to 1. Okay, so press calculator. 1 over 4 plus 2. We get here square root of 9 over 4 minus 1 over 2 equal to 1. Okay, when we square 9 over 4, so we get here 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2, we get 1. 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2, so we get here 2 over 2 equal to 1. 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So now we get the same value for the left equal to right hand side. So jawapan kita adalah benar belaka. So this is true solution. Okay, so this is the value. Ya Allah. Alright, so I hope you understand. Thank you. Okay, this is the example 2. We have the question square root of 2x. Okay, inside the square root we have square root of 2x minus 1 minus square root x plus 3. Okay, to solve this, remember when you have radical sign, you have to square both sides. Okay, so when you square this, you get the side will be removed. So there will be 2 minus, okay, square root of 2 minus x minus square root x plus 3 equal to, okay, square root 0, we get 0. Okay, now we have to square once again because of here we have radical sign again. So but before we square, so you have to make sure that we only one term at the left side and another term at the right side. So there will be 2x minus 1 equal to square root x plus 3. Okay, so now square both sides, so we get 2x minus 1 equal to x plus 3. So 2x minus x equal to 3 plus 4. Okay, we bring all the x value to the left side and number to the right side. So there will be 2x minus x, we get x equal to 4. So now our solution is x equal to 4, but you have to recheck. Okay, so when x equal to 4, substitute into the original equation, we get is it true the value is equal to 0? Okay, so inside the root we get, okay, 2 multiply 4, we get 8 minus 1, we get 7 minus square root 7. Oops, sorry. Okay, so when square root 7 minus square root 7, we get 0. So square root 0, we get 0. So this is 0 equal to 0, means this is true solution. Okay, alright. Kenapa kita panggil true? Because of when we substitute the x value, okay, kita dapat 0 equal to 0. Okay, thank you. So I hope you understand. Okay, this is example 3. We have a log square root of 5x minus 12 over x. Okay, our base is 10. If you cannot see, by the way, our base is 10 equal to 0. Okay, to solve this, you have to change into the exponential. Remember, tukar daripada log jadi exponential form. Macam mana nak tukar? So now we have here square root 5x minus 12 over x. Ingat, bila kita nak buat ni, remember bila stand ni, dia akan jadi base tau. Ini, okay, 10 power of 0. Okay, yang ni akan jadi exponent yang 0 ni. Right, so now to solve this, when 10 power of 0, we get 1. Okay, square root both side, what you get is, kenapa kena square? Sebab kita ada square root. Okay, so we get here, Mida dah terpakai warna merah, so kita terus warna merah. Square root ni, meaning that radical sign dah tak ada, so it will be 5x minus 12 over x equal to 1. Kita square root 1, kita akan dapat 1 juga. Kita square 1, kita akan dapat 1. And here 5x minus 12 equal to, ini bawa ke atas akan jadi multiply, so akan jadi 1 multiply x, we get x. So x value must be at the left side, so 5x minus x equal to 12. 5x minus x, we get 4x equal to 12. Okay, kita nak x saja, 4 bila ke kanan akan jadi bahagi 12 bagi 4, so we get 3. So now you have to do rechecking when the x equal to 3, substitute into the original equation. The value that you get is, okay, log 5 multiply 3 minus 12 over 3 equal to 0. Okay, so now log, okay, 15 minus 12, we get 3 over 3, right? Equal to 0. So now log 3 divided by 3, we get 1. Okay, square root 1, we get 1. Okay, tekan calculator, you can press your calculator when log 1 is actually equal to 0. So ini adalah Mida tulis short form je lepas ni, TS, true solution. Alright, okay, that's all. Okay, this is example 3. Okay, this is example 4. The question is, we have here square root 2x minus 1 equal to square root x minus 1. So to solve this, you have to square both side, right? So there will be, so when we square this one, remember when we have two terms inside the square, so you have to square one by one 3 times. Okay, 3 steps. Okay, first we have to square this one, so means that the radical sign will be removed, so there will be 2x, and then you have to multiply all. Okay, square root 2x multiply negative 1 multiply by 2, so we get 2x. Okay, and then next we the third step, we have to square negative 1, so we get plus 1 equal to, okay, for the right side, when we square the square root x minus 1, we get x minus 1. So now we just simplify what we have. So here we have 2x minus 2x square root 2x plus 1 minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x minus x we get now, okay, 2x minus x we get plus x. Okay, and then this one plus 1 ada tertinggal. Okay, 1 minus x. Okay, this one plus 1. So plus 2 equal to 0. So now we bring all the value, okay, meaning that we must have only one term, okay, for the expression for the term that contains radical sign, we only must apa, we have to make sure that only one term left for the left side which it contains the radical sign, and for those yang tak ada ni, kita bawa dia ke kanan. And then next we have to square again left and right side, so there will be negative 2 square, so we get 4 square root, and then we square the square root, so we get here 2x equal to negative, negative x square, so we get x square. When we multiply all, so we get here positive 4x plus 4. Right, so now we expand this one, 8x equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. Alright, so now we just change the position. Okay, I do step by step. Now, this one is 8x. 4x plus 4 minus 8x equal to 0. So this one x square. Okay, 4x minus 8x will get negative 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So now you can use your calculator and check the value of x because of this is a quadratic equation. So now we get here x equal to 2. Okay, so means that the value is, so x equal to 2 square, okay, equal to 0. Alright, so means that when we want to find the value of x equal to 2. Now we have to recheck, substitute the x equal to the x value into the original equation. Oops, sorry. This one 2 minus 1. So 2, okay, this one will be 4 minus 1. This one will be 1. Okay, this one square root of 4 we get 2 minus 1 equal to square root 1 we get 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, so we get the same value left and right side. So this is what we call it as true solution. Okay, so I hope you understand. Because of now we have, kenapa cara dia macam ni, sebab kita ada, dia terasing. Kalau korang perasan lah, if you realize, if you can see the question is, yang square root ni dia bukannya sampai hujung sini. Okay, tak. Okay, dia cuma hanya kat sini je. Tapi tiba-tiba je ada negative 1 kat sini. Alright. So bila kita square ni, satu ni akan menyebabkan jalan kerja korang akan jadi panjang. Okay. Dan bila kita square tu, kita akan dapat value ni belah kiri. So to review this question, what you have to do is, madam akan buat semua bawa ke belah kiri dulu. Okay, kita settlekan apa yang boleh. And then bila dah tinggal square root saja sini dengan jawapan yang ini madam tak nak. Okay, kita tak boleh nak solve. So madam akan bawa dia semula ke kanan. So that ini akan tinggal single term je dekat kiri yang ada root ni. So that senang bila kita nak square dia lagi sekali. Alright, so I hope you understand this step.